What's up guys, I'm Sophia and I'm a dancer and teacher of Oriental contemporary dance. I'm based in Berlin. I've also choreographed and directed a show and a few performances. If you like this channel, click subscribe. Now I've prepared a very special series of videos for you. It's a lot of basic moves, a lot of warm-ups, a lot of techniques, all kinds of explanations of contemporary Oriental dance, and you're gonna get it all here in this channel, so make sure to click that red button down there. So a lot of my students ask me, what is contemporary Oriental? What? Well, this is a kind of different style from everything you've experienced because it's my own personal style. It's basically using the basic Oriental moves but building onto them and putting a lot of emotion to it, the choreographies, and just making things quite different. So I do a lot of turns, I do a lot of other contemporary like movements. So it's not traditional Oriental, it's more emotional. So the end result is having like a choreography that makes sense, that has a meaning, that has a character development, that has emotion to it. The first most important thing you have to know about this channel is that when we do these exercises and moves and choreographies, you have to be really warm. So the first thing you have to do is warm up. Warm up is super important because if you don't do it, you're gonna injure yourself. So make sure you warm up. Half an hour is the best you can do. We're gonna do a few warm-up sequences, so you can definitely use them when you have to continue on with your dancing, but make sure the most important thing is warm-up. Then afterwards, when we do the warm-up, you can go to all kinds of basic moves. You can try to rehearse a little bit. We're gonna do sequences, we're gonna do just introduction, and then afterwards we can learn some choreographies. The best way to dress for our class is to wear really comfortable pants, anything that would make you feel fine. You can wear leggings, you can wear harem pants, you can wear anything as long as it's not a skirt. You will have a hard time doing exercises in skirt. You can do it, but you're gonna have a hard time. Now the other thing, I do suggest having something that's tied to you. Now I use a top. That is optimal because then you can see your movements, the movements of the abdominal muscles, which is nice when you actually want to know what you're doing. You want to kind of be aware of what is happening there. Make sure to comment on this video or another video when you have questions. I will answer them. I can make videos in specific topics, specific question that you are interested in learning, a move or anything. Just make sure to leave a comment if you like the videos, like them, so that more people can actually see them and can learn from them. It's very important to realize that there's so many different people with so many different types of learning. So take your time. If one type of explanation doesn't work, let me know. I try another way until it works. Okay guys, so let's get started.